Okay guys, we got a 2002 Ford here, F350, and if you look, you got a TBC fault, brake controller. So the way you're going to fix this, if you've tried your brake controller, you've tried your brake light switch and it's not working, it's pretty simple. You're going to reach back there and unplug the brake controller, and then reach back and push from the back and pop it out. And if you look real closely, let me come over here and set it down where you can see this, maybe. If you look real closely at that pin right there in front of my fingertip all by itself, it's come loose. Try to get a good picture right there. See that? We're gonna solder that back on. That one right there. Just barely didn't make a connection. So we're gonna solder that back on and that should fix your problem. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.